Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at Takoi Tomy and Hasbro's Transformers War for Cybertron Siege trilogy lineup, Battlemaster, Decepticon, Aimless, which is number 17 in the lineup. So it's the 17th one in the lineup. Here you go. 5 steps to convert it into its little weaponized mode. So let's get this unboxed and tail at it. There we go. So yeah, I guess this over here is supposed to be kind of like the Cybertronian version of the Decepticon logo. So this is the logo that we know here on Earth, I guess, of Decepticons. This must be their Cybertronian version of the Decepticon logo on Cybertron. That's the way how I'm taking it as. So let's take the little fella here. He's right there, not much to him. Arms will take like that. Legs go forward. They could go back. Side to side. Not much at all. What really annoys me is this little pad sticking down his chest. It kind of looks like a chest cannon, almost. Now this little weapon here, as you can see the twin guns here, there's a little pad right there. You can take that little pad and see the hole on his hand. Just put it in there, like so. So he could have a little wrist-mounted gun. Although his arms are really super duper loose and floppy. I mean, so yeah, that's something that could be a good thing when you're transforming it and stuff. Or like if you're holding this on there, I mean it holds up and the pose is good. It's not like drooping down, but I would just say to be on the safe side, get a little bit of that pledge fork cleaner and put a little bit of pledge on the ball joints here because these are ball and socket joints. You know, like that. And just kind of stiffen them up a little bit. So we are supposed to put this on his bat. So let me see here. Okay. So then you could take it and just snap this onto the bat part. Like so. And then they're saying take the feet, tab them together. Just like that. Bring the guns up. Turn it upside down, they're saying. Take the feet and kind of put them up like this. I'm guessing. Okay, so that little blue piece right there, that little quad, you want to bend that back. Then take the feet and try to take the little heel spurs and tab them into the gun. Right there and there. Which is more likely impossible. You can't really tab them in there. Because they don't really want to tab that much. I mean, you could, and I just tabbed it in there now. Then take the hands and you're going to tab them somewhere in here. Let's see, where do we tab the hands? Tab the hands to the feet. Okay, so we take that little tab there. And we tab right up there, so. Let's see here. That one's tabbed in. We'll take this one and tab that. There we go. Gun mode. How do these go in? I believe they go in on the top side. These feel really, really rubbery. But this little loop here, I believe that goes top side. No, they actually say that could go to the side. So, my mistake here. We'll just rotate it to the sides like that. So, let's give our transformer its little weapon here. And there you go. It could kind of hold its little weapon. Which is the same mode as this one. I forgot what this one was called. I can't remember the name of it at hand right now at the moment. But same as that mode. Just the guns are slightly different. Different head sculpt. Different paint job. So it has a little bit of a different backpack. Different weapon accessories. But these ones always fall off. At least one of them always does. So don't know why they have that, but yeah. Now this one, like I said, is Aimless. I believe this one was actually ahead from the Headmasters on the Decepticon team. So it's right, it's on the Decepticon team, but I don't remember who gave up their head to become a Target Master. So these Battle Masters are actually Target Masters. Kind of from Transformers The Rebirth, which was a 3-part episode, which is supposed to continue on with like another 23 episodes here in America to be Transformers Season 4 of the G1. Never happened. But in Japan, they still had them, but they kind of phased out the Target Masters thing, but they still kept the Headmasters. And so forth, it was dubbed Transformers. Headmasters was head on, Transformers, Transformers. If you remember Transformers Headmasters, you know the song that I'm trying to sing, what I'm talking about. It's actually kind of funny, but in a good way. Like a retro funny, you know. It's just like when you hear that dun 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 dun. Well, I can't really do it, but you know, like the original G1 theme song of Transformers, or their G1 second season of it, where it's like Transformers, robots in the skies. You know what I mean. The old ones, they're fun and classic songs, and people still remember them because of how good they were. Not these new ones that they have now. And yes, you can take these effect parts and jam them onto random parts like this. Which actually, I don't get it. These effect parts look kind of stupid. I mean, it looks good coming out that way. Like, if someone shot, let's say, for example, Sideswipe in the bat, it looked like this energy, let's call it a bullet, is coming out of the front of his chest because it's been shot in the bat. That makes sense, but to kind of say, like, here's my gun. I'm going to shoot you right in the face. You know, in the front version, and have this coming from the front. It's like, okay, it's fine this way, but how come the projectiles come out that way? You know what I mean? If the gun's pointing this way at your enemy, why is the projectile coming out that way? You get what I'm saying? Doesn't exactly make sense. Now, to shoot someone in the back, it makes a little bit more sense, but yeah. And this could be held by any Transformer, Deluxe Class Transformer, by this little fellow right here, Skytread, which I guess you might call a combiner, because it's two of them that combine to one. A weaponizer can hold it, so you can put in a weaponizer. And yes, even the old school not G1, the Headmasters or Titan's Return. Pretty much any Transformer can hold this. So as long as they got the little pads and the pad hole, I believe it's a 5mm. Yeah, it works. So, yep. So if you want to pick one of these up, head on over to toywiz.com, link down below in the description. And if you want to get some really cool retro labels to put stickers on this to make it pop, which, let's face it, these guys need to be popping like corn. You know, popcorn? That's what these need to be. They need to be popcorn. They need to be popping and styling and locked in and all that stuff. But anyway, if you want to get those stickers, they're very cheap. I see them range around the $5 price range. Some a little bit cheaper, some a little bit more to $10, usually close to the $5 price range. Toyhats.com, link down below in the description. Definitely some of these Transformers, like I said, really need that sticker sheet on these guys. But anyway, yeah, link down below in the description to both websites. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks. Bye.